In a recent Pakistan Air Force video featuring the Pakistani president's visit to NASTP, National Aerospace Science and Technology Park, an unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, was spotted. Its design closely resembles the Wing Loong 2 or MQ-9, linking it to Pakistan's Project Azm. Project Azm, launched in 2017, aimed to develop a medium-altitude long-endurance, MALE, UCAV with attack capabilities. The latest renderings of this drone confirm its connection to the original initiative. A small-scale technology demonstrator of this UCAV first flew in November 2022, though its takeoff showed instability, indicating early-stage technical issues. This suggested the project was not yet ready for full-scale deployment. Many speculated whether Project Azm had failed or been cancelled, but its core objective was advancing Pakistan's aerospace capabilities. Former Air Chief Sohail Aman had also emphasized potential collaboration with friendly nations. Despite concerns, Project Azm has led to several successful developments. Pakistan now has multiple male UCAVs, such as Shahpar 2 and Shahpar 3, developed domestically under Transfer of Technology (TOT) agreements. The project also focused on stealth aircraft, with plans to produce the J-35 and later introduce the PFS stealth fighter. Pakistan's air defense sector has also seen advancements with the recent unveiling of a passive radar and an active electronically scanned array, AESA ground-based radar, A350. These developments indicate that Project Azm's goals are gradually materializing. Recent indications suggest that work on the male UCAV has resumed under NASTP, possibly as a competitor to Shahpar 3, which is being developed by GIDS. There is also a possibility that both drones could be introduced together in the future. Shahpar 3 itself bridges the gap between male and high-altitude long-endurance HA, LE, UCAVs. It boasts a takeoff weight of 1,650 kilograms, a service ceiling exceeding 30,000 feet, and an endurance of up to 40 hours, reducing to 20 hours with weapons. The UCAV being developed under Pakistan Aeronautical Complex bears a strong resemblance to the Wing Loong 2 and MQ-9. Given that its 2022 prototype had technical shortcomings, the project was likely shelved, but has now been revived thanks to NASTP's renewed focus on R&D. Initially, Pakistan aimed to develop a male UCAV similar to the MQ-9, completing its design phase and demonstrator. However, as GIDS introduced more advanced drones like Shahpar 3, this project stalled. The JF-17 project succeeded in shaping Pakistan's defense industry, but this UCAV faced technical and structural setbacks. The decision to pause development was strategic, avoiding excessive financial drain. Now, with renewed focus and improved research capabilities, the project is back on track. It will be interesting to see if this UCAV enters service and fulfills the vision of Project Azm.